Good pass. You've been there so long. Well done, mate.
Thank you.
Go on, tell me what you feel.
It's hard to put into words. It's obviously strange. You lose the game first of all. You play the match and the result's disappointing. But no, as soon as we found out, we seen a score go up, sort of 10 minutes to go, and it's an unbelievable feeling. It's an achievement that probably won't sink in for a while. And I think we just want to all be together and really enjoy it and try and take in as much in as we can.
You'll never forget that final whistle.
No, I mean, like I say, it was a little bit strange because it sort of was in our hands at the time. I think the guys on the bench knew, but no, certainly the 10 minutes after, it's not just tonight. Obviously, there's years and years of hard work, and everybody watching back home, or your friends and family and stuff. It's a proud moment. It's emotional, and it's one they will never ever forget.
What can this mean for Welsh football? Neil, coming in.
It means for Welsh football. It means that. No, it's something that hasn't been done. I mean, you can't underestimate exactly what we've done. Like we've always said, there's been so many great players before us that couldn't quite do it, and for this group to do it is unbelievable.
I was wondering, Chris, what the emotion was like in that dressing room. I imagine it's going to take a while to sink in what you've done, even though
it's quite mellow, really.
The ambition's been there.
Yeah, no, it was really quiet. It was the gaffer spoke, and he said his piece, and a lot of photos, a lot of drinks sort of flying around, and just sort of trying to take it all in and share the moment with people that we've been with for years and years. And there's a lot of people in that changing room that you guys don't see, and they're vital to what we do. It's not just the players on the pitch. So just trying to take it all in, get as many photos as we can, and get back to the hotel now, and like I say, all be together and enjoy it.
Thank you. You've been obviously talking about it for so long. You've still got one more to go of this qualifying campaign, even though you're there. And you talk about this celebration as well on Tuesday.
Yeah, no, it's going to be a really good evening. A sold out stadium at home, to sort of probably for the fans to thank us a little bit, and for us to certainly thank them, and for the first time in probably every fan's lifetime, it will be at the game on Tuesday, that can turn up, and sort of be celebrating, some success, and nothing on the game, and just relax and enjoy it, and to play in front of our friends and family, for our country. After what we've done tonight, it'll be an unbelievable night, but we'll get the weekend out of the way. We'll get home and regroup on tomorrow afternoon. Yeah.
Well done, Chris. Brilliant.
Cheers,
Thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers, mate. Hey, Chris.